On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson will prepare seared sweet potatoes. They're tasty, they're healthy, they're easy to make. They're a fantastic side dish for weeknight dinners and special occasions alike. We'll start by making our seasoning mix. Combine a teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. We'll finish with a teaspoon of dry mustard. Mix all these wonderful spices together. This recipe works best when the sweet potatoes are cut into flat, plank-like pieces. Take these potatoes and drizzle a little bit of salt-free vegetable stock over them. Water will also work. This will act as the glue for our seasoning, so go ahead and sprinkle some over the potatoes. Heat up a half teaspoon of oil in a pan. Once hot, drop in the sweet potatoes, seasoning side down. Sprinkle some more seasoning on the face-up side as they sear. Once the bottom side is a light brown, flip and sear the other. It will only take a matter of minutes. And just like that, seared sweet potatoes that are fit to eat. This recipe pairs well with Rob's coffee-crusted pork loin. The link to that recipe is in the description below. To see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat. Chef Rob talks with Tim Bradford, the program coordinator at the Society of St. Andrew. For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.